Do you define roles ahead of a team negotiation? Your mind probably went to the old negotiation tactics, good cop and bad cop. But there is more than that when we talk about roles in team negotiations. My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. The message I want to give you is that it's important that ahead of each negotiation, you define the roles for each participant. It may be good cop and bad cop, it may be technical and commercial, but more in general, you want to think about a role for each of the team members at the negotiation table. It may be note taker, body language observer, the one who asks the question, the one who makes the proposal, number cruncher, maybe lead negotiator, decision maker, etc. So there are plenty of options which are available there. This ensures that your negotiations are more effective and also that your colleagues that are joining the meeting are more motivated. You know, a tendency we may have is to go into a negotiation and say, listen, I am the lead negotiation, you just have to be silent and watch. It may be more rewarding to tell them, listen, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be the note taker and the one who analyzes the number from a financial point of view to make sure that we understand where we are during the negotiation. That makes your stakeholders more motivated and your motivation more effective. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.